Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing the radio into pairing-ready mode so devices can find each other. Turn the ignition to ACC or on, then press menu on the RCD510 and navigate to Setup, Bluetooth, and Pairing. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and make it discoverable. This is necessary because the radio scans active devices only. Once options appear on the RCD510, select Search or Add Device to begin the actual handshake between the head unit and your phone. After the RCD510 lists nearby devices, you pick your phone by name and initiate pairing. The radio and phone will show a PIN. Compare those digits to ensure a secure connection, then accept or confirm on both ends. Next, grant permissions. Allow phone book syncing and media/audio access so calls and music work correctly. If prompted, set the RCD510 as a trusted device to reconnect automatically. This streamlines future connections and avoids repeating the full pairing flow. Once paired, test both music playback and a call to confirm audio routing to the RCD510. Adjust source to Bluetooth audio or telephone as needed. If pairing fails or the unit won't connect automatically, remove the device from both the phone and RCD510 and repeat pairing from the start. A key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on and reboot your phone. This clears temporary faults and often restores normal pairing behavior without further intervention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.